we are going to make some Bangin Oatmeal. First we start off with a 1/4 cup of oats, like that. Then I like to put some flaxseed in there. I usually put about 1.5, 2 pretty good sized tablespoons. Get some good old tap water in there. I don't measure it. I just swirl around, looking like this, and then we'll pop it into the microwave for 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, while that's cooking in the microwave, we are going to mash a banana up. And I like to mash it up with a fork. Some people like it whole. I think mashing it gets a better flavor inside the oatmeal. Okay, the oatmeal's done. Just mash it so it's like soupy. And set that over here to the side. Alright, and this is what the oatmeal looks like. So then we dump this in there. Give it a good stir. Incorporate it really well. Then I got my trusty peanut butter. Put about a spoonful like this in there. Mix that up in there. It's nice and incorporated and like that. Looks all good mixed up in there. Now I add my almond milk because I like the milky flavor. Just enough, not real measured out, just what you want. I like it like that. Incorporate that. Then sprinkle a little cinnamon on top, and it's done. There we go. Bingo. Chef Bugzys Bangin Oatmeal. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you on the next video.